Hi everybody, I'm about to cook a lentil soup and I'm cooking this lentil soup together with oxtails. But if you don't want to use them, you can always use pork or you can use ribs, okay? And this lentil soup with oxtails is real good. So I'm going to be using 2 pounds and I already rinsed them in cold water. I have them over here. For this meat, I'm going to be using a piece of onion, 1 bay leaf, 1 garlic, and 1 tablespoon of salt. And I'm going to be using 1 cup of lentils. And for this lentils, I'm going to be using a piece of onion, 1 garlic, and a half a teaspoon of salt, okay? And we're starting by cooking the oxtails, okay? And I have the hot water here, so now we're going to be putting the oxtails here. When you mix the neck bones together with the oxtails and the lentil soup come out real good too, okay? So now that we put our meat to cook, I'm gonna be rinsing the lentils in cold water real good so we can cook them too, okay? Let's remove all this from the meat first. And now we can put the other ingredients in here, okay? And we cover the meat and we're gonna let it cook for 1 hour. And here I have 2 liters of water for the lentils. So now we're gonna put the lentils in there. I already rinsed them in cold water. Right there. And here I'm gonna put the piece of onion and the salt and the garlic, okay? And now I'm gonna describe all the ingredients I'm gonna need for the red salsa. I have 5 chile guajillos here and 3 chile chipotles, 1 Roma tomato, 1/4 of a medium white onion, 3 garlics, 5 cloves, 1 pinch of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And we're gonna be using the beef broth, okay, when we finish cooking the meat to do the red salsa, okay? So I'm gonna start by putting the peppers to soak in hot water, okay? And I already rinsed all the guajillo chiles and the chipotle chiles in cold water. And I cut them like this in pieces like this. So now I'm gonna put them to soak in hot water, okay? Our lentils are already done, so I already turned off the fire and I'm gonna put them to the side. And if you can see, our lentils are not too soft and they're not too hard because we're still gonna cook them together with the meat. And now it's time to make the salsa. I'm gonna put the onion here and the tomato. And the rest of the spices here. So now I'm gonna take it to the blender. So I have the salsa here. I put a little water more here. And this is what we don't want in the salsa, okay? And it looks like this. And this is how the oxtails look right now that they're cooking. They still need more time, so we're gonna be putting more hot water here because we're gonna be using the beef broth for the red salsa. It takes a long time to cook this meat, but it's real good. In soups and red salsa, or you can do them in barbecue too, and they taste real good. And it looks like this after 1 hour. And it looks like they're already done. It's already done. And the meat is going to be getting more soft when it's already cooked together with the salsa and the lentils. So now that the meat is done, I'm going to turn off the fire and I'm going to put it to the side so we can start cooking the salsa. And here I'm going to be cooking the salsa, so I'm going to put probably like 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Not a lot because the meat is kind of greasy. And I'm gonna let it warm up so we can put the salsa there. Okay, I think it's ready. So I'm putting all the salsa here. And we're gonna let it cook for a little bit and then we're gonna put the meat. Okay, so now we're cooking the salsa here and now I'm gonna put the meat in here. Okay, so now we put the meat in there and I'm gonna put the extra broth. So I'm gonna cover the meat and then we're gonna put the lentils in there, okay? Okay, after 20 minutes that we put the meat, it's looking like this. So now we're gonna be putting all the lentils in there. And you can put more meat if you want to. So now that we put the lentils in there, we're gonna cook this for another 10 or 20 minutes, okay? Okay, so after 10 minutes more, they're looking like this and they're already done. And you see how good they look? I'm gonna be serving a plate so that way you can see how they look. You see the meat? And the lentils. Okay, let me turn it off. So make sure that you taste it before you turn it off, and if it needs more salt, you can always put more, okay? But mine is fine like that. And now we're gonna taste it. So I just gonna put a little cilantro on top and lemon on the side. And this plate is not hard to make. It's just take a longer time when you're cooking the meat. But after that, the cooking process is real fast. So we already finished the plate, and this is how it looks when it's already done. And we're gonna combine it with a fresh tortilla. So I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and thank you for watching all my videos. Like and subscribe.